teléfono, pues lo pone en su teléfono y en el acto lo...
Yeah,
Hi, I can ask you some questions about your pet friends.
sure, go ahead.
What's your pet friend's name?
Her name is Daniela.
How old is she?
She is 18 years old.
What do you do?
She is nursing student.
Oh, that's nice. Good, that's you. Usually, do you hate for everybody?
While she uses her phone to share her line plans, talk with friends, and listen to music. But she doesn't play games on her phone. That's no part of her routine.
Really, at playing games, I take time.
Love, Jack, she checks ins and wasting of time. Now is my tenth can ask you are your friend's friend.
Of course,
What's your name?
her name is Mariana.
How old is she?
She's 19 years old.
Was that she do?
She an architecture student.
Once those shadow winds her funding every day.
She keeps her social media, listen to podcast, and use her calendar for homework. But she does show series at her phone. She prefers watching TV on her laptop.
At school, your friends some us organized.
Yeah, she is and Daniela, so very responsible too.
Thank you is all of friends with fungal friends.
Yes, I can, so you too.